I like your train. You guys did a good job on your train.
Let me see. Let me see, Mom.
You want to see the video I'm taking?
Let me see. I'm going to get the file first.
Okay, what can you say?
Rules.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Nate.
I'm going to say that too.
Nate?
Bye-bye.
Uh-huh.
Bye-bye.
Good job.
Oh, these are your foo-foo face. These are your foo-foo face socks.
Okay. So you gonna say bye-bye?